you could tell, we're bouncing around in the Jeep. We're doing our backroads off-road adventure today. We're on Glen Springs Road. And we're gonna go down here. We kind of picked a loop on the map that we want to do. And there's a section that says it's unmaintained, so that might be kind of fun.
Yeah, we'll see.
To do some, I don't know how serious, off-roading it will be, but hopefully we make it there and can check it out. But it'll be fun to just kind of explore these back roads. Hi, Sunny.
Hi.
Hi, Nan. Hi, baby.
Hi. Oh my
Oh.
God. That was expensive.
So, I'll show you guys the road.
It's not bad right now.
It's not too bad yet, but
There's moments.
Really fun though.
yes, it is fun. And the sun's kind of out today. We might take the freedom panels off
Hopefully.
if it doesn't start raining on us. So we will see. If there's anything cool, we'll show it to you guys. Now it's a real Jeep adventure. Finished our nice lunch that turned into an impromptu photo shoot. And we actually saw one Ranger and then one guy in a Jeep that was all outfitted for camping up back here, and then one little Toyota Tacoma with a pop-up camper on it, which was cool headed up
Little
there.
lady.
Yeah. So that was cool. See people up there using the backcountry sites. But we're having fun, are we? Nope.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Maybe?
I'm
Yeah?
having really fun.
Good, me too.
Especially for this delicious, I don't know what it's called, lollipop.
Lolly? You can lie down and take a nap, man. Well, let the road rock you to sleep. Right?
If Mom does a jump, she'll just walk into there, man. I don't want to get up. Yeah, right there. You got a good line.
There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh,
Oh, what do I do?
you're fine. Put on the brake. Put on the brake.
What do I do?
You pull the park brake.
What do I do?
Just restart it.
I know, but what happened?
You,
I was letting it crawl in first gear.
I guess you weren't giving it enough gas.
What do
Okay.
I do? You know I don't do well on incline.
You're fine. It has hill start assist. So you'll be fine. It'll help you.
So what foot do I let off first? Clutch?
Clutch first, but keep your foot on the brake. Take off the e-brake.
Put off the clutch.
Yep. Just like you're starting regular, but it'll be give it a little more gas to get yourself going. It should help. It should hold it for you. The hill start should.
You should hold it?
Should.
Promise?
Should. You got it. Keep your momentum. Keep your momentum. Checking in, Mama. How we doing? You feeling good? Yeah. You having fun? Yeah. You're looking good. Man, how we doing? Why? I want to know why you feel sick.
I wonder why I feel sick.
Are you gonna make it?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Sunny, how about you?
As long as I can have taffies.
Are you having fun?
Sort of.
Are you feeling good?
I was having fun. Not really. I was drove on the floor and it was cold.
Oh, Mose, how's your first Texas Jeep adventure?
One thing it feels.
Oh, that's pretty. What, baby?
One thing it feels like a massage.
Look at that.
To me, it feels like I'm in a balance.
Yeah, my stuff is all buckled up together.
I think you're right, man.
Oh, Mark.
Yeah, you got way off in front of me, like right there.
Yeah, your mom's purposely trying to ruin my sunset shot. Oh, honey, don't. This is gonna be beautiful footage.
I'm not purposely doing it.
Yes, you are. Why is that big, huge smile on your face then?
Yeah,
Well, it's funny, all the grumps.
you care about your footage more than your family?
Yeah.
No, I don't care about my footage more than my family. I just like that mommy's getting so much joy out of making my cameraman service so hard.
Ready?
Oh,
Ah.